Measuring CACE requires an ion exchange resin. Traditionally used resin columns are dependable in operation but wear out over time. They are expensive to buy and dispose. They require constant surveillance to avoid faulty measurements or measuring gaps after exhaustion, and they are dangerous to handle by operators. This all totals an extensive maintenance man-hours, high material and disposable costs, as well as operator safety concerns. Fortunately, there is a revolutionary approach using electrodionization. Instead of consuming resin, an EDI module uses electrodialysis to automatically and continuously regenerate the embedded resin chamber. CACE monitors with EDI modules outperform analyzers with resin columns in terms of accuracy and reliability. The resin is continuously regenerated, hence no resin consumption and no treatment of resin waste, which makes material costs drop significantly. It also considerably reduces the need for regular maintenance work. Data is available without interruption. Integrated self-monitoring features alert the operator to take actions early and retain measurement integrity. Therefore, the EDI module makes CACE monitoring simultaneously cheaper and safer. The comparison between two combined cycle power plants shows significant differentials in operational expenditure. The decisive cost factors in CACE monitoring is the use of either traditional resin columns or EDI modules. Thus, in this situation, using an EDI module reduces the OPEX of CACE monitoring by around 86%. Swan's AMI CACE is the only CACE analyzer with an integrated EDI module. Increase the profitability and safety of your power plant with savings of around 86%. Contact our regional Swan sales dealers to provide you with a detailed savings calculation for your plant.